Inilunsad ng 90 Design Studio kasama ang VV-Stop Baguio at Berkeley School ang photo exhibit na course, Drawing Inwards at Lihim na Pavilion Installation sa DCIT CAR Digital Transformation Center Post Office mula ika-11 hanggang ika-18 ng Oktubre 9 o'clock ng umaga hanggang 5 o'clock ng hapon. Sa aking panayam kay Hans, ang exhibit umano ay to bring light in architecture on past, present, and future of how it's like in Baguio. Dagdag pa nito.
As you can see, we have four exhibits. Yung past, present, future or vision, and then engagement part to show people how architecture evolved throughout the years.
Makikita sa Exhibit 1 ang tinatawag nilang pattern. Naglalaman ito ng history ng Baguio noon na may kasamang picture habang ikinikwento kung paano nag-adapt ang mga tao sa paligid sa kanilang komunidad. Sa Exhibit 2 naman ay makikita kung paano ang urban challenges masosolusyonan para sa mas maayos na buhay. Sa Exhibit 3 naman ay nakadisplay ang mga scale models, presentation boards at visualized design thinking upang mapakita ang posibilidad ng Baguio City kung napag-isipan ang design nito. Sa Exhibit 4 ay ang engagement part sa pamamagitan ng conversation, ideation, and collaborative design.
Yung goal po talaga is to exhibit nga yung ginhawa. Kasi nga, from the past, like, ang dami ng pinagdaanan ng Baguio. And even now, sa present, we're still experiencing congestion, yung traffic, and all that. So, in the midst of those, what is ginhawa?
One is, especially if you're not from Baguio, you'll be able to learn the past and the present of Baguio. For example, the Exhibit 1 where we are right now, you'll be able to learn what it's like before here in Baguio. And then, for example, if you are a tourist, you also be able to learn the present of Baguio, what it is now, and of course, what it could be. Parang ganun. Then we also have the future, wherein that's where everyone, me, you, everyone that will go here has a say or has an interaction where they can write, draw, whatever they want on what they feel that Baguio could be, or at least what they think that our team, Ginhawa, what Ginhawa is for them, wherein we can incorporate that to Baguio, and as well as not just Baguio but the whole Philippines.
Makikita ang installation na tawag ay Lihim sa tapat ng Baguio Post Office Park na nagpapakita ng impluwensya ng uri ng tao.
Ako po si Cherry Galasi ng St. Louis University, nag-uulat para sa DZWT 540 Radyo. Totoo.